Remember the time before the chop saw, or drills before cordless? Times are a-changing. Currently, a coping saw is used to cut scribes. Not anymore. Introducing the Chamar Scribe, a unique, patented tool for cutting molded skirting and dado rails, fast and perfect time and time again. No more manually cutting the scribe, marking it out every time, and time-consuming delicate cutting. It takes about 5 minutes to cut a molding skirting or dado in the traditional way. Now using the Chamar Scribe, you can cut 10 joints in 10 minutes. The Chamar Scribe is changing the way skirting and dado rails are cut. Easy 2-minute setup, uses a standard router, and we have not found any type of skirting or dado that Chamar Scribe cannot cut. It cuts hardwoods, MDF, softwood and plastics. The Chamar Scribe can even deal with out-of-plumb walls. Once you've tried the Chamar Scribe, you will never go back. Imagine going back to using a drill, or a cable, or no power saw. With a standard router attached, compared to cutting the scribe the traditional way, you can produce 10 cuts in 10 minutes with the Chamar, compared to 2 cuts in 10 minutes the traditional way. Perfect cuts time and time and again, and fast. The Chamar Scribe is 75% faster than cutting the scribe the traditional way, quick and easy to set up and even quicker to use. Using the Chamar Scribe, you can cut over 5 scribes in the same time it takes to cut one the traditional way. 4 flats finished in one morning with the Chamar Scribe, while only 1 finished in the same time the traditional way. The larger the flat or house, the more time saved, making better use of your time and making you more money. Once the Chamar Scribe is set up and locked, it produces perfect scribes time and time again. Even for those out-of-plumb walls, which normally adds time to an already difficult job, especially with very ornate skirting. The Chamar Scribe is 100% portable, takes 2 minutes to set up and can be used in any situation. It can be on a workmate, horse, universal chop saw stand. The Chamar Scribe is flexible enough to cut deep, skirting, narrow dado, one tool for all styles. The Chamar Scribe will revolutionize the way you cut scribes. Portable, fast to set up, perfect scribes time and time again. The tool that pays for itself in time saved. The bigger the job, the bigger the saving.